Knit Club members, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about April's project, and it's a lovely scarf, and it's called the Love and Hope Shawl. And if you look at it, you get to practice binding off stitches on the ends, and it has a lovely cabled border. And this project is fun, enjoyable, but not too difficult. And so you will learn some skills. You'll learn how to do a picot bind off and how to count rows between each cable section so that you don't have to try and figure out if you're ready to cable or not. You'll know really easily because I'm going to teach you a trick. So that's totally awesome. Now, when we're looking at these colorways, you may have different colorways than the one that's shown here. But that is because we had to be a little creative. Our Knit Club project that we had planned for this month, the yarn was captured in Peru. Before it shut down, it wasn't able to get shipped out. So we are making do, but this yarn is lovely. It's one of my favorite yarns. It is this, I have been talking about it for a few weeks now. It's called Bravo and Bravo Petites, and your kit comes with 2 of the Petites and 1 of the regular size Bravo, and it's 100% baby alpaca made in Peru. And it's from one of the finest factories in Peru, and we are really excited about this yarn. I have done a ton of projects with the yarn myself, and I totally love it. And this yarn is made by Coeur d'Alene Yarns and by us, so that we get to share it with you. It's totally awesome. You'll see this little tape dispenser with a dispenser, and it's like washi tape. And I don't know if any of you guys have used washi tape before, but it's totally fantastic. It's tape that is removable, so you can use it row after row to highlight the row that you're working on. So I hope you enjoy this project as much as I did, and I will be posting some videos to help you all along the way. So you enjoy your April kit, and thanks again for being such wonderful customers of Alpaca Direct. You take care. We'll talk to you soon.